Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to try something a little different, something that I have never done before, so this could go horribly wrong. I wanted to do not just a colorful eye look, but I wanted to also just do something, like I said, just not normal. So I wanted to give a whirl on creating a neon light type eye look. Does that make any sense? Like a neon liner kind of a deal. I'm not sure. And not just like neon as in bright color. Like I literally want it to look like a neon light is like slapped on the eyelid somehow, some way. So like I said, I've never done this before. I'm a little nervous because I don't 100% know what I'm doing. Something tells me it's just gonna be okay. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. The palette that I have just grabbed first really quick because I need a black color. Whenever I was kind of looking at inspiration for this, a lot of people were just using black bases. And for my first attempt, I think I might stick with that just because it looks like it would be the most obvious. Like, okay, yeah, that looks like a neon light slapped on your eyeball. And then maybe if this goes okay, then I can venture and use a color as far as a base goes. And then maybe a different neon light. I'm itchy again. Oh god. So I went ahead and put on the rest of my base because I just have a feeling this might take a while. So the palette that I grabbed for the black is the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to be using this black right here called Noir, and I'm going to be taking that color on. Can I pull you in close? Hi. I need you. So I'm just going to be using this Morphe brush right here. It doesn't have a name. It's part of the Gunmetal collection that was nameless. Go figure. Ooh, look at my nails. Oh god, don't. How do I hide them? Ah, you saw the brush. Okay. So what I'm going to be doing first is just, am I doing a talk through? Oh god. The last one, you guys know how long it took me to edit. Please, God, bear with me. So I'm just going to be taking a smidge of color, not a lot, because you know black is scary, and I'm just going to be putting it kind of in my crease area, and then we'll go from there. Oh god. I'm going to speed this up, okay? Because I have a feeling this is going to take 5 years. Please forgive me. I'm going to start with this eye so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, and go. No. No! No! Pause! Time out! Everybody stop! We're putting down a base color first. I almost made a huge mistake. I know that for a fact. So I'm just going to be using this Morphe M573 brush. I'm going to be using that to put tempera, which is like the flesh colored shade, like the skin colored shade, all over my lid. Oh god, we about made a huge mistake, guys. So that's just going to kind of prevent any tackiness from like the concealer that I use for my primer. Alright, now we're ready to begin. Click that fast forward button. Okay, so what I did is I took just the, oh my god, I'm so itchy. Oh god. So what I did is I took just that tiny little boop of black on this crease brush, or this fluffy brush. I don't know why I'm so nervous about this, but I just want it to look good. I took that tiny bit of black, and I have just been sitting here blending basically until my eyelid is numb because I hate like having to blend for 6 years, but you know, it has to be done. And I have just blended out that black to basically like a soft gray color. We're going to do the same to the other side. Hold please. We have that down. Let's just start deepening it up. I think maybe one more layer, maybe? There we go. Woo! Yeehaw, baby. And then on a smaller pencil brush, I'm just going to try this and see if it works. I'm going to take some black and just kind of like really put it in there and just kind of see what, oh boy. Yep, that makes it very opaque. I think I'm going to cover my entire lid with the black. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be taking this little packing brush right here. It doesn't matter because he's dirty. It's okay. We're going to be using black with this little feller right here. Woo! This is a look in and of itself. I think we are ready for the neon. I'm so nervous. Okay, so to do the neon, I have a product we're going to be using. Okay, so the product that we are going to be using to help us create the neon effect is this one right here. This is the NYX Gel Eyeliner, and I'm using the white shade. This is what we're going to be using right here. The brush that I'm going to be using to hopefully create a decent looking neon sign line is this one right here. This was another stupid expensive brush, and it won't focus. There we go. So this is the MAC, I can't even read it, it's so tiny. The MAC 210 brush, dipping it into the white, and I always kind of just like twist it into the product to make my brush really pointy. What I think, instead of just doing like a zoop, I think I want to do a zoop and zoop. Oh god. First touches! I'm scared. I'm so scared. Can I pull my mirror close? Will you guys be okay with that? I'm sorry. Ah, this is horrifying. Horrifying. My anxiety is through the roof. We have the outline done. That only took me about 55 minutes to do. I'm being, I'm exaggerating, but like that was scary and took a long time. So I'm gonna try to like fix a few areas that I got a little like wonky on. Then we'll go. I'll probably do that off camera because this is taking a really long time. So let me do that, and then I will come back whenever it's time for the color. It's on there. So this is what I've got so far. I just took that white gel liner and I did this. So to apply the color, I should probably use another pencil brush. The pencil brush that I grabbed is the Morphe M321. This guy right here. I'm going to use him to apply this shade. Do they have names? Of course not. So this is, what palette is this? This is the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm going to be using this shade right here. To me, just this color just looked the most neon, aside from the pink, but I didn't want to do pink. Alright, so I'm going to take you. Do I want to use you? I don't know. This could be a disaster. We're just going to have to see. So I'm going to start with this brush. If it is horrible, then I'll switch to another brush, but we'll just wait and see. Okay, so I'm diving in. I'm talking too much. Okay, whew, here we go. Diving in, and we are patting. I'm on the fence about this brush, strictly because I think it's putting too much green down. We're gonna try you. Okay, we're gonna see. This is like technically like a cleanup brush for lips. Woo! I'm liking it already! It already looks kind of cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna continue like piling on color. So I think maybe patting the white into the black was not such a great idea because there's some spots that I don't think are very tacky anymore because of that. And it's not picking up this green color the easiest. Probably not going to do that to the other side. But this is a learning experience. Okay, so what I may do is put some, where's the black here? Let's just kind of, if we darken it up a little bit around. I don't want to go right up against it because, neon signs do have a little bit of like glow to them. So I don't want to have it like right up against the neon, but I do think there needs to be a little bit of cleanup just from that initial pencil brush, kind of dispersing the green everywhere. That's pretty dope. I think that's a success. What do you guys think? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is do the other eye off of camera, clean up a little bit on this eye, just some stuff that it's like, meh, you guys don't want to sit here for 50 minutes to watch me do it. So I'm going to do that really quick, and then I will come back and I will talk you through anything that I may have done, anything that I did off of camera, and we will go from there. So give me just a minute and I will be right back. Okay guys, here is the final look. What do you think? Do you think I did an okay job? I'm not going to say good job because there is a lot of room for improvement, but for my first time ever attempting this look, I think I did a pretty good job. Let me scoot you a little closer to you. I put this wig on because something about it was just screaming like it went with this look. I don't know why. But here's what it looks like. Can you see? The left eye definitely looks better than the right eye. There was a lot of learning curve at the beginning of this tutorial, so I think I did a pretty darn good job. It really wasn't difficult per se, like steps wise. It was just kind of your technique. It's definitely, this is a look that it's like, you need to perfect your technique for it to really like look snatched. But I don't think I did very bad. You know, I think this is definitely a good look, you know, and it looks great with the pink wig. I went with a pink lip because I just thought I wanted something kind of girly, but also like toned down. I love it. I think this look is so cool. I would definitely wear this out because it's so like attention grabbing, and like people are gonna ask you what you got going on there. People are gonna ask. So, especially if you wear this pink hair. As far as what I did to the rest of my eyes, so you guys can see I put eyeliner in my waterline, and I also tight lined up top. I put on some lashes. These are, oh god, Lily lashes in the style Havana. I don't know why I'm showing you the empty box. Don't need that. But they're Lily lashes in the style Havana. And then for the inner corner highlight and my brow bone highlight on my eye, which I didn't want it to be like crazy subtle, but it is just a smidge subtle, but that's okay with me. I used this Naked Cosmetics highlighting palette. It's called the Holographic Highlighter Collection, and I used this green shade and this yellow shade. I mixed them together on my brow bone and in my inner corner, and then I just took a little buffer brush and put the black underneath of my eyes. And that's literally it. Oh, and oh my god, I forgot to put on lower lash mascara. Time out, everybody stop. I just did lower lash mascara. I used the MAC Extended Play mascara to do that. And that's it, y'all. That's it. I set my face. I think this look is a success. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Click that notification bell right next to that to get notified every single time that I upload. Otherwise, YouTube will not tell you because I am too small for them to give a damn. Hopefully one day I won't have to say that phrase. I just want to thank you guys again for tuning into this video. I really appreciate all your support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!